Hello, my name is Brian Tessier with RE/MAX Real Estate Solutions, and you are going to love this exclusive private tour of this $1 million listing. .800 Lynn Portal Road sits in the lowest tax county in the greater Pittsburgh area. We sit on over 20 acres of land. There's 3 different outbuildings, 3 finished levels in the property itself. And it even has a swimming pool. Just kidding, the heater's not on yet. Oh, now that was a crazy tour of 800 Lynn Portal Road. Over 20 acres, plenty to do for you and your family here. If you think that's a fit for you, make sure you give me a call. I've got a flight to catch.